Do you want to learn what crystals you can use to cleanse and energize each chakra? In this video, I'll share with you popular chakra and crystal combinations, as well as how you can use crystals for chakra healing. I'm George Lizos, and I empower lightworkers with tools and guidance to find, follow, and fulfill their life purpose. If you're ready to follow yours, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'm also excited to announce that my third book, Protect Your Light, is now available to order globally on Amazon. In the book, you'll learn powerful practices to cleanse, shield, and strengthen your energy so that you can follow your purpose fearlessly. Specifically, you get to cut cords to toxic relationships, remove psychic daggers of attack, and learn how to effectively protect your energy online. I'll pop the link for it in the description below so you can check it out. Each crystal has a unique vibrational frequency that can repel, amplify, or transmute energy. Therefore, you can use crystals to create change within your chakras and therefore to heal physical, emotional, mental, or spiritual imbalances. In the 15 plus years that I've worked with crystals for healing, I've used different crystals to remove spirit attachments, heal energetic blockages, and amplify mine and my clients' health and well-being. I'm always amazed as to how quickly and efficiently crystals work in cleansing and energizing our chakras, and I'm excited to teach you how to use them in this video too. Before I share with you what crystals you can use to heal your chakras, let's start by defining our terms. Your chakras are wheel-shaped energy portals found in specific locations in the center of your body, acting as mediums of communication between your physical and spiritual sides. They look like multicolored lotus petals that whirl at various speeds as they transmit life force energy through the physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual bodies. Therefore, they're essential at promoting health in mind, body, and spirit. There are 7 major chakras in your body, each of which governs a different set of physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual parts of your being. These are the root, sacral, solar plexus, heart, throat, third eye, and crown chakras. Each of your 7 chakras has its own features and energies and is located in different parts of your body. By the way, I have a 6-part video series all about chakras, during which I explain what each chakra is associated with, how to unblock chakras, how to perform chakra healing, chakra color associations, and also scientific facts about the chakras. I'll pop the link of the episodes in the description below so you can check them out. Okay, let's talk about crystals. Although science hasn't fully explained the healing power of crystals yet, there's definite evidence pointing towards their healing properties. Specifically, quartz crystals are known to create piezoelectricity. When under pressure, they release a gentle electrical charge that's stable, accurate, and consistent. Therefore, they're used widely in watches, computers, and other technological tools. These stable electrical currents also interact with the unstable, ever-changing state of the human body, allowing us to synchronize with their vibration. And this is known as the process of entrainment, during which a person synchronizes with an external influence that affects the way they think, feel, and behave. There are over 5,000 identified crystals on planet Earth, each holding its own set of unique qualities. When used mindfully and with intention, we can partner with the crystal's vibrational qualities and use them to create healing and transformation in our lives. Since there are many different types of crystals, each with their own unique qualities, you can use crystals to both cleanse and energize your chakras. The following are the most common crystal chakra associations. For the root chakra, you can work with red and black crystals such as hematite, black onyx, smoky quartz, red jasper, and red garnet. For the sacral chakra, you can work with orange crystals such as orange calcite, imperial topaz, tiger's eye, and copper. For the solar plexus chakra, you can work with yellow and golden crystals such as amber, golden calcite, citrine, yellow jasper, and gold tiger's eye. For the heart chakra, you can work with pink or green crystals such as rose quartz, malachite, green aventurine, and jade. My favorite one is malachite. For the throat chakra, you can work with blue crystals such as aquamarine, amazonite, sodalite, angelite, and blue turquoise. For the third eye chakra, you can work with indigo crystals such as tanzanite, lapis lazuli, azurite, and blue apatite. And for the crown chakra, you can work with violet or white crystals such as amethyst, quartz, apophyllite, white calcite, selenite, and diamond. To learn more about the various qualities of these crystals, especially when it comes to cleansing and protecting the energy of your chakras, make sure to read my book, Protect Your Light. When it comes to using crystals for healing, there are many ways to go about it. My favorite way involves having a crystal healing session during which you lay on your bed or any other flat surface, place your chosen crystals on your chakras, set an intention for cleansing and energizing your chakras, and then simply laying there for at least 15 minutes and letting your chakras entrain to the vibrational frequency of the crystals. It's a simple but powerful practice that always works. I'm curious, do you have any other practices of working with crystals to cleanse and energize your chakras? Let me know in the comments below. If you're ready to learn more about how to use crystals to energize your chakras to promote healing, make sure to check out my book, Protect Your Light. In the book, you'll learn more about your energy immune system, which includes the chakras, as well as a 7-step process of clearing your chakras from toxic energy cords and other negative attachments. You can get even more guidance on chakra healing in my free Facebook group for Lightworkers, Your Spiritual Toolkit. It's full of trainings, prompts, and guidance from others and myself to guide you on your path. If you feel called to join us, I would love to see you there. Thank you so much for watching, Lightworker. I hope you've enjoyed this, I hope you've learned something, and I hope you're a step closer to mastering chakra healing. Please let me know in the comments any questions you have, and be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.